مرحبا بكم أحبتي، صباح الورد، صباح الخير، صباح العافيات. اليوم عندنا مراجعة الواحد من الكتب اللي أنصح محبي القراءة بالاستمتاع بها. هذا الكتاب هو 12 قاعدة للحياة أو 12 Rules for Life للكاتب جوردن بي بيترسون. جوردن بي بيترسون هو دكتور في تخصص علم النفس في جامعة هارفارد، وعاش في منطقة ألبرتا الثلجية. طبعا هو من الأشخاص اللي يعتبرون من أنجح مختصي علم النفس على مستوى العالم. ساعد كثير ناس لتجاوز أزمات الاضطرابات النفسية، وعمل كمستشار للسكرتير العام للأمم المتحدة. الكاتب جوردن بيترسون in his 12 Rules for Life and Antidote to Chaos presents 12 rules that people should follow in order to become less depressed, more successful. If you are asking, the reason I'm suggesting you read this book is because it is going to help you so much overcome the depression, hard and difficult circumstances, and make you a better perceiver of discipline and order. Rule number 1 that he addresses in this book is to stand up straight with your shoulders straight. And he's mentioning that order is masculine and chaos is feminine. Therefore, to move towards order, we all need to man up. Happiness is pointless at some point, but he's trying to say that if you do not have discipline and you follow only your passion, you'll be distracted by your passion. He also mentions that you need to treat yourself like somebody who is responsible for helping. And he mentions a few interesting points about that with examples in chapter 2. He recommends as well to befriend people who want the best for you, and that is rule number 3. He says compare yourself to who you were yesterday, not the useless person you are today. And the reason he mentions this is because he wants to give you very positive shot to become better aware of the discipline. Rule number 5 is do not let your children do anything that makes you dislike them. And that has to do with family discipline. And he mentions that they need discipline if they are going to grow up. 6th rule is set your house in order before you criticize the world. He also talks about pursuing what is meaningful, not what is expedient or fast. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. Assume the person you are listening to knows something you don't. He's quite straightforward by saying just shut up, quit moaning, and listen to people who are talking to you. Be precise in your speech. Confront the chaos of being who you are. Don't bother children while they are skateboarding is just a big title of rule number 11, but he talks in details about the recommendations that he has in terms of setting the discipline in family. Pet a cat when you encounter one in the street is just an analogy to caring and sympathizing with people who want to share a few positive things with you or make you feel positive or give you some advice. This is a quick summary of the book, and the reason I'm putting this review here of this book is just to encourage you to start reading it. It's not for the beginners, it's for the intermediate and upper intermediate and advanced level. There's also an audio for this book available free online, and the way I do read is by playing the audio on YouTube and start following the reader going through the pages. That's the way I learn. I usually listen to the audio recording before I go to sleep. I listen for 15 minutes, and if I have time in the morning, I fix myself a cup of coffee and sit and enjoy listening to the speaker and following the pages, as you can see here. So I definitely recommend this book. It's available as a hard copy in Mutanabi in Iqra bookstore. Thank you so much, and I look forward to share this book and share some of your thoughts and insights about it soon. ربي يحفظكم. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.